In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create one image for free using AI and use it across a whole range of print-on-demand products, 50 plus products. I did this very quickly, it was simple to do, and the image lent itself to all sorts and created some really good products, which I'm going to show you now. This doesn't matter if you're a beginner, I'm going to go through it simply, step by step, show you exactly what I did and how you can create it and use it on your print-on-demand products. Now, first of all, I saw that the term Milky Way was trending, so I decided to do an image around that for a Tumblr app. When I'm creating for my Etsy shop, I like to try and expand whatever the term is across as many things as possible. So whether that's a PNG for sublimation, whether it's stuff for print on demand, whether it's Tumblr app, clip art, whatever that is, I try and get that trending search term so that I can take advantage to get as many eyeballs as possible. So the term Milky Way was trending, and that also fits with one of the trends that's predicted to be big for 2025 on Etsy, which is the zodiac and constellation. That's a trend that's continued to grow on Etsy and other sites, and as I say, it's predicted to be big this year. And if you want to know another 14 trends, I've got a free guide for you. I'll put the link below. In fact, I'll put all the links from everything in the video today below. And my free guide gives you 15 trends of styles and designs that's predicted to be big on Etsy so that you can make more sales this year. So go grab that guide after and let's get on with creating. The first thing I do is go to Chat GPT. Now, this step isn't necessary, but I just find it really helpful to ask Chat GPT to create a prompt for me for the image that I want. It can go really deep, really vivid, really clear, and then we'll get some really good results out of the AI generator. Like I say, you can create your own prompts if you want from your own imagination, but if you haven't used Chat GPT before, it's a free software. Just sign up for it and you'll find it super helpful for all sorts of things. I find it's like having another member of staff in the business to write emails and create all sorts of things that you can then put your own spin on. But it does give you some really good ideas. I'll leave the link below, open a free account, and I'll show you what I did next. I created a prompt using ChatGPT and I asked it for a prompt for a Milky Way image. Here's what I put and here's what it gave me back. So I put morning, I'm always polite because it's AI, you never know. Morning, please give me a prompt for a Milky Way image. And it came back with a breathtaking and vivid night sky showing the Milky Way in all its glory. The scene features a dazzling array of stars, nebulae, and cosmic dust in vibrant hues of purple, blue, and pink. Streaks of glowing white light cutting through the darkness in the foreground, silhouetted against the celestial display, is a serene landscape of towering pine trees, rolling hills, or a calm mountain lake that reflects the starry sky. Add subtle wisps of mist and shooting star for an ethereal touch, capturing the wonder and vastness of the universe. That gave me a prompt that I put into my AI generator. Now, one of the AI generators that I use, and this one's free, is called Tanga AI, tengr.ai, and I'll leave the link below. And if you go to the link, this is the page that you see. So open a free account and then you'll come to a page like this. Here's the box to put your prompt in. So copy and paste it from ChatGPT, put it in there. And these are all the different styles and designs that you can use within this AI generator to get different results. So the style, I tend to use aquarelle, which is like a watercolour. I leave it on creative, essential. I'll leave that none. And depending what I'm creating, if I'm doing a PNG, I'd do 1:1. And if I'm doing a Tumblr app, I would do 9:7. So I copied and pasted that prompt out of ChatGPT. Those are my settings again. And these are the beautiful designs that it gave me, that it created. And I chose this one. So you go here to the download button, click PNG, and then it'll download it for you. So that now has given me a beautiful image that I can take over to Printify and create some amazing products. So if we go to the catalogue in Printify, and then choose a product, something like, say, blankets, could lend itself to that. So let's choose this one, a bestseller, velveteen plush blanket. We might decide that we're going with this supplier, click the start design, and then I uploaded the design into my library, click that across. I quite like this side, I like the colours, I like the trees, so we'll use this side, make it bigger, so that it fills the whole box. That's a fit. Save the product. And here it gives us a different view. So if we go and have a look at what it looks like on the bed, and there we can see how effective it looks on that product. Let's see what else there is. Back to catalogue. Here's the best sellers, click on those. And you may want to do a phone case. Again, start designing. My library, grab the design, take it to the border lines, save the product. And again, those look really good. So here's some other things that I created in there. Swimwear, pyjamas, puzzles, bags, socks, t-shirts, shoes, jewellery box covers, tumbler wraps, mouse mats, towels, cushions, cups, at least 50 plus products that you can create with that one free image, and you've just seen how easy it is and how quick it will be to do 50 products. So those steps again, first of all, go to Chat GPT and ask it to create you a prompt around what's trending or whatever image you want to create. Secondly, go to Tanga AI, put that prompt into the AI generator, download it as a PNG, then over to Printify, to your catalogue of products, upload that image into your library and then drag it across to whatever products you want to create within your design element inside of Printify. So don't forget to go grab that free guide, the link's below, 15 trends that are going to be big on Etsy this year. Also, go watch this video here, which breaks down 5 of those trends, and I go through showing you the different products that you can create, the different styles, the different designs, the different images, again with AI, and you can use those images across a range of different products on your print on demand, on your sublimation, on your own crafting projects, whatever you're doing. I'll see you in the next one.